What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, I hope you're all well. We're looking at Quant today on the daily time frame, and we can see that we actually have continued this reversal wave. We've actually continued this reversal wave over here by breaking above this golden pocket. We should have never closed above this actually. We should have done something like this, because we've measured this impulse from the top to the low. So this was the move over here, downwards. And what's meant to happen here is we're meant to have this retracement, which is against the trend because we're in this downtrend with the impulse going down. So what we should expect is further downside to our 2-hour technical target. Oh my gosh, guys, sorry. It would basically be a double top with a lower high, and this would be a neckline, but we actually went higher. Yes, it's still below the 1 fib level up there, so we're not completely out of the woods yet, but you're doing everything at the moment to suggest that you're trying to come up to here. Of course, it's going to be a key resistance, $116. We've been speaking about it on the channel now for a good few days. If you're new, go check out the Quant videos from the last few days. We haven't been getting enough likes on the videos, guys, so I'd really appreciate if we could get up to about 150 likes. I think that's a great goal to hit every day. So let's strive for 150 likes. I do the videos, so I do part of the work, and you guys need to do the other half by commenting, liking, and of course subscribing, as we're trying to hit 4K as quick as possible. Our next goal is 3.4K. We're almost halfway there at the moment, so from 3.3 to 3.4, almost halfway there now. So let's try and get to 3,350 subscribers for the end of the day. Let's see how close we can get to that. It'd be really appreciated. So yeah, what we want to see for the bullish scenario, and go check out today's Bitcoin update because it's so vital. It's going to tell you if Bitcoin's going to fake out, and if Bitcoin fakes out, then of course Quant will as well. So go check out the Bitcoin update. It is the most important one of the day, and then come back to this part of the video. And then what we're anticipating now that we've created the reversal wave by actually breaking above the golden pocket is we need to hold it as support, which now we've seen because we're starting to go back up. So what you want to do is attack this 112 high and then 116, and then we can expect a minimum target of $130. But yeah, we would like to, of course, go higher to the 1618. At any moment, it could be at one of these targets could be the top. And what you would need to do next is, let's say we only reach the 1.272, guys. We need to come back down to the 786. Hold this as support. Well, you want to come back down to the 1 fib level and hold that, really. We can just do that, but you can come as deep as the golden pocket. The reason why I was saying the 786 is because we've got the bodies here at the moment, but let's see if there's any more resistances ahead where we build some structure. But for the moment, you can see some sort of ascending triangle over here, which we're also seeing on Bitcoin at the moment. And of course, if we were to break out, we want to back test it as support to confirm, because we're pullback traders. You can break out and still fall down, so you want to actually hold it as support from here to continue back up to our technical targets. And we would have a target for this ascending triangle, or you can just call it a double bottom with a higher second leg, because there's multiple double bottoms. So let me just get the target and we'll talk about that. So from the neckline to from the neckline to this old M patterns neckline, because again, it can still become valid in the future, and this would be a target. And remember, don't forget, I'd believe that we'd still come down a little bit more to the neckline of this double bottom. That's if this M pattern plays out. But it looks like for the moment, what you're trying to do is break out of this ascending triangle. And I'll just draw the ascending support so you're not confused. Just like that. And you can see we're about to break out, guys. Today or tomorrow, the breakout is going to happen. Either today or in the next 2 days, it would have happened. It's going to tell us, the chart is going to show us if we're going to continue up or lower. And remember, we'd rather wait once it's broken out to confirm it as support to then continue. You can just break out and then keep going and going and going and going, but eventually you're going to come back to this. And if you do hold it, if you miss that trade, if it holds over here, you can take that next trade back up to the 1618 basically. So yeah, let me talk about the three double bottoms that we do have. So we have a double bottom like this, which is a W. You've also got a double bottom with the higher low, and that's your ascending triangle right there. But you've also got this double bottom here would be this one. And then we've also got a double bottom which throws a lot of people off over here with the lower low, because everyone's like, okay, that's a lower low, and then randomly it just comes back up and breaks the neckline, and just continues. It's crazy, that one. It catches out a lot of people, and this is what you see a lot at bottoms. So that's why people would always say, oh, it's going to keep going lower, it's going to keep going lower. When you make that double bottom like this, it's going to keep going lower, and then eventually it makes a higher low, and then it just continues and breaks that old neckline, and along the way you made another ascending triangle here, just like that. So yeah, those are the different sorts of W's that we can see on the chart. Going to the weekly, it looks like we're going to try and go all the way back up to the 55. Reason being, we hit the 20 as support, so we need to see a reaction. We got the daily close, the weekly close here. So after such a bullish candle with big wicks to the downside, we're trying to hit the 55. So that's where we're going to try and go to again. Yeah, and we've seen that from the daily analysis now. We know that if we're going to break out of this ascending triangle, then we're going to head to the $116 and then obviously beyond for the bullish scenario. But beware, guys, again, this bearish scenario can also happen. So that's pretty much it. Let's get this video to 150 likes. If you're interested in the education where I teach you all about this, then head over to my Twitter. You can see it. Oh, you can see it right there. And yeah, just private message me over there for the education. And obviously just follow me there anyway, because I post daily on there. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.